If you're a manufacturer, then this video is for you. In this video, I will tell you the 5 biggest challenges faced by a manufacturer. My name is Akhil Mediratha. I'm a business coach, and over the last 18 years, I've been scaling manufacturing units and also been awarded by Tata as the best vendor in 2019. So let's get straight into the 5 biggest challenges faced by a manufacturer. Challenge number 1 is cash flow challenge. Most manufacturers, their funds are stuck either with the customers or in inventory, or they have to give advance payments to the vendors. And therefore, they face a tight situation on a month-to-month basis. So cash flow challenges are one of the biggest challenges faced by a manufacturer. Challenge number 2, unable to use 100% of the production capacity due to lack of leads, due to lack of consistency in leads coming into the company, therefore lack of sales, inconsistency in sales leads to inconsistency in operations. And because you may not have a strong USP, you may not have a strong team to ensure there's consistency in all these departments. And therefore, sometimes you may see high production and sometimes there's low production. And therefore, the production capacity is not utilized 100%, and it adds to the cost. It adds to wastage of resources, time and people. Challenge number 3, inconsistency in getting leads in the pipeline. Because most of the effort is to get the order, to implement and manufacture the products, and to dispatch the goods, and to go for important sales meetings. The focus on marketing is less. And there's more focus inside the organization than the outside. And when the focus is less outside, the networking, the lead generation takes a backseat. And inconsistency in marketing leads to inconsistency in sales, and therefore it leads inconsistency throughout the organization, and we end up with cash flow challenges. Challenge number 4, not being able to demand your own terms, your own price, your own payment terms. We all face this challenge, right? When we don't stand out amongst our competitors and our customer is playing a game with all vendors, then we cannot demand a price. We cannot demand our own price. We cannot demand our own payment terms. And therefore, we end up with more challenges, more cash flow challenges, more frustration, more relationships gets destroyed with the customers. And it leads to challenges within the organization. Challenge number 5, a manufacturer, a business owner doesn't pay themselves. They will do everything to pay their employees, to pay their vendors, to pay their taxes, but they never pay themselves. And the personal finance takes a backseat. You know what I'm talking about. The goals, the personal goals of our family members, they get postponed, they get delayed. And all the hard work we put in running the manufacturing unit, we don't see the rewards with our families. And also, this includes, we don't get to spend time with our families because the all time is going in running, in servicing our customers, their orders. So I'll repeat the 5 challenges. Challenge number 1, cash flow challenge. Challenge number 2, unable to use 100% of the production capacity. Challenge number 3, inconsistency in the pipeline of leads. Challenge number 4, not being able to demand your own terms, your own prices and payment terms. And challenge number 5, no take-home salary for your family. And how do I know this? Like I said, I've been a manufacturer for the last 18 years. And if you would like to build a cash-rich business, I welcome you to go on my website, akhilmediratha.com, and I assure you, you will get help there. Thank you for watching this video.